Hey everyone, this is Michael Cohen, the Tech Rabbi, and welcome to another technology tutorial. If you are interested in getting your students to reflect and present ideas in a visually striking way, this activity is for you. Now, if you find this video valuable, if you make it to the end, please like this video, share this video, subscribe to the channel, but most importantly, engage with this in your classroom with your students and share it out on social and let me know how it goes. We're doing the story spine here. Once upon a time, gonna make it happen. Stick with me, let's go. Today, we're gonna talk about a really cool way to use Adobe Spark Post in your classroom. And what I have here is a classic Disney story spine broken up into 3 different panels. You have your beginning, you have your middle, and you have your end. And it goes, once upon a time there was a blank teacher. Why is it that? Because I've been using this process over the past year and a half at various conferences that I speak at as one of my breakout sessions to get teachers engaged in this, to then bring it back to their students. Every day blank, one day they blank. Because of that blank until finally blank. And you can obviously adjust the blank, but what you end up doing is as follows. You challenge students to document the beginning and middle end of a process. It could be a process that's already happened in the past. It could be a process that spans a week, a month, an entire year. Beginning, back to school, middle, and then end of school. Where's the growth? Where's the process? Where's the struggle? Where is the overcoming that struggle? And very simple, very straightforward. They also have to find a striking visual to accompany that, to represent and really tie into the emotion and in the feeling. If you have once upon a time there was an excited teacher and you have somebody sitting, at a desk or on a park bench, the image isn't going to line up with the message. And that is the power of visual communication. That's the power of photo and video. So you create these different panels, and during my sessions, I have the teachers that are part of this create their own different 3-paneled process of reflecting the conference that they're at. So you just go here and you can check out in the description below a deep dive review and tutorial of how to use Adobe Spark Post, but you just have them double click, and if you share this via an iPad, you can actually now do a remixable copy of something, which is great for your students, especially the younger ones, where you just want to create the template and then share it out. Unfortunately, that is not yet an option on the desktop version, which I'm using right now on a Mac. As you see here, you can share the link to this. You can have publishing options, but beyond that, there is no remix copy. So you have your 3 options here, and then voila, the wall of epic storytelling with Adobe Spark Post. And as you see here, I presented at NETA, Nebraska Education Technology Association, their annual conference. I presented at Q National Conference in Palm Springs. I presented at a conference in Monterrey, Mexico, congreso.edu. And as you see here, they are all just running through. And the thing about this is that I've had teachers email me and tell me that they used this in their classroom and it created this level of voice. As you see here in this bottom right here, I'm just gonna like that one. Every day I teach my students how to find their voice. One day they went to Q. And what happens with this process is you give students voice, you give students agency over their own mode of communication, and since they spend probably every waking hour outside of school some way engaged at some point with social media, media rich, media heavy, text, photos, video, you have to meet them where they are, but challenge them to use those communication skills, both written and visual, to communicate, synthesize, and reflect on ideas. That is the tech tutorial. This is Adobe Spark Post Story Spine Reflection Project. Thanks so much for watching.